2015 Lexus IS250. Today we're going to replace the remote key battery. So the first thing you're going to want to do is remove the emergency key out of the bottom of the remote. On the left side of the remote, there's a button right here that says push. We're going to push it with our thumb. We're going to pull the emergency key right out. We're going to turn it over like this. And you got a couple slots. All right, you have the slot right here, far over, that's for the emergency key. And then there's another slot right here. Okay, hopefully you can see that good. It's this one right here. We're gonna use a flathead screwdriver. I'm gonna stick it in here at this angle here, sideways angle. Okay, we're just gonna crack the remote open, okay? Split it open, we're gonna pry it open that way. All right, and you can see the little indentions right here. It's like this. Boop. All right, hold the remote like this, and go ahead and just pull the battery out. All right, I'll show you what size the battery is. Battery size is going to be a CR2032 with the positive sign facing out towards us. We'll put the top in first, lock the bottom in. Need a battery or the size again. Check the description box, I'll have some info there, and a link takes you to Amazon where you can buy a new battery for like $2. Let's get the back half, stick it back on here, snap it back together, put the emergency key in, and you're all done. Hope the video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate it. Drop me a like, leave me a comment.